Hello, I've bought these Go Travel TSA Combi Padlocks. I'm about to go for a holiday with the family, and these locks look like they're a nice way to secure our suitcases. I chose these locks for two reasons. One, it's Transportation Security Administration approved. So if we're traveling through the airport and the security agencies need to inspect my bag, they have tools to open these locks without having to break a lock completely or destroy your luggage to have a look inside. And the second reason why I chose it was they market it as very easy to change the number. So as you can see right now, it's all on 0. And if you lift it up, if you turn it about 90 degrees clockwise, push down, and then pops out. And you can see the little set word on the bottom. Then you rotate it again, all the way that way, and you can set it to whichever number you like. So maybe I'll just go 1, 2, 3. Now you just rotate it back. It's locked. Go to 1, 2, 3. Now I can pop it open. So very easy to change the number. For me, suitcase locks like this are just about raising the barrier of entry just a little bit. I mean, realistically, there's only 1,000 combinations. And also if somebody did steal your bag, I mean, this one is like a cloth material. So it's so much easier probably just to get a knife and cut it open. But for me, it's just about raising the bar a tiny little bit, so we're not an easy target.